Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. Today we came all the way out to Wangen to have a look at some German cornfields. Nah, that's not really why we're here. We're in Wangen so that we can visit the production location where the lion's share of our O Series family is made. Let's go have a look. Johannes.
Hi, Jay.
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for taking the time to show us the facility. As you're aware, I really am excited to show everyone where we give birth to the O family.
Yeah, very welcome to our location here in Wangen. But I know you want to see the assembly of our O-Inspect machines. But I think we have other cool things that we can share. If you want to.
I would love to see that, yeah.
Okay, then come on, I'll give you a small tour.
Perfect. How long have you been in this facility?
Oh, okay, it's a good question. It's about 20 years.
Wow.
20 years right now. Yeah, we have two buildings.
Okay.
This building is the old one, about 20 years old. And we have a new building where the O-Inspect assembly happens. This is about 10 years old.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's have a look.
Okay, let's have a look. Come on. Yeah, Jay, as I mentioned, it's not only about serial production at this location, it's also about engineering. Our second goal or topic at this location is to help ZEISS to bring new products into place. So, and this is our engineering project place where we do several things. At the moment we are working on a pre-series for a project. It's a little...
You don't talk about it?
Exactly,
Yeah,
I cannot talk about it right now. But we have done in the past year ramp up the O-Detect 3-2 line, for example, and put it in place all over the world. Yes, and for me it was important to show you that this is also a topic here in Wangen. It's not
absolutely. I guess I didn't even realize that not only do you do the production, but you actually do development of production, ramp up production, and what could be new products down the road.
That's cool. exactly, and especially small series are our topic to help ZEISS at this point.
Perfect. Well, thanks for showing me this.
Yeah.
This is great.
You're welcome. Jay, as I said before, we do not only build machines at this location, and we also do not only have engineering at this location. We also build sensors at this location.
Oh, cool.
And for example, the O-Inspect sensor is built here in this location.
Okay.
And it goes from this location to all over the world.
Right.
So if you buy an O-Inspect in Shanghai or Minneapolis or something, the sensor comes from this location.
So all sensors for O-Inspects come from this location. Is there a reason why this? They all come from here?
Yeah, there are two reasons.
Okay.
The first reason is it's about history.
Okay.
We have invented the O-Inspect, the first O-Inspect within ZEISS 2007.
Cool.
And the sensor at the same time. And it's a further improvement from this sensor.
Yeah.
And the second reason is this side of the room. It's a special infrastructure for manufacturing of optical parts. It's about a special cleanliness and climatic conditions for mounting lenses together. And
it's
so
a special room.
Yeah, it's
right?
exactly.
In order to that.
It's a special room. Yeah.
Perfect. That's
exactly.
great.
Yes, and as I said, the people here around do not know if they finish a sensor, and each one of these black boxes is an O-Inspect sensor.
Oh, this is so each of these is an O-Inspect.
Yeah, it's called a supermarket from O-Inspect sensors, and
cool.
Every location all over the world can pull out such box. So we do not know if it's a box for the other building, for Shanghai or Minneapolis.
That's a special room then. Cool.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, I would say let's have a look to the O-Inspect.
Yeah, let's see where it happens.
Yeah,
perfect.
Come on. Yeah, Jay, finally we are here in this place you wanted to see.
Yeah.
You wanted to see from us where the O-Inspect and the O-Detect is being assembled.
Where they give birth.
Where they get birth
Yeah.
and where all the sizes are assembled.
Got it, yeah.
So we do not do not have different lines for the different sizes, so it's called hybrid line. We produce all sizes and all types at one line.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. Exactly. So at the left hand we see the castings on this under construction, this unit where we can move it easily around.
Got it.
Yeah, and yeah, we do assemble here the castings, the XY axis and the Z axis, and later on when these axes are mounted, we move the systems to the right hand where you can see the cabling is done. There are some endurance runs.
So you're already beginning to exercise the machine and make sure it's able to be used. Now, when does it decide if it's an O-detect or an O-inspect?
That's a very good question. It's here. You can see this is a Z-axis. It's not a 322, but it's
bigger.
maybe it's bigger. Yeah, maybe it's an 863 or 543.
Yep.
And I do not know if it's an O-inspect or an O-detect, but at this point the sensor will be assembled in the next step. This is the marriage where the decision is made if it's an O-inspect or an O-detect.
So up to this point, it can be either. You mount a sensor, and then it decides if it's O-detect or O-inspect.
Exactly.
And then it comes over here.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then you begin to cable it up, make everything work. Looks like they're doing.
You know, we have to ensure that the rails are in parallel, that that the quality is achieved. Yeah. Exactly. And if here at this point the machines are moved with these units underneath them, and it's okay for assembly process, for cabling, for endurance run. But later, if we when we laser the systems, when we ensure the quality of the systems, we move them into these slots. You can see we have several slots where we can move the machines into. It's at this point also it's eager if it's this is an O-inspect 322, but it can be an O-detect, it can be an O-inspect, just in every sizes. Yes, yes, and yes, as I said, we laser the machines in these slots because the environment parameters are very important. They have to be stable to ensure the quality. Yeah, you can see here as well an endurance run. It's an O-detect, by the way. And here in these slots are the final testing where we ensure the quality for our customers.
So it sounds like you do endurance runs on both ends, you know, both when it's still kind of in its ambiguous stage and then when it finally gets through the acceptance tests.
Yep.
We really make sure that it's ready to be used the second it hits the customer floor.
Yeah. It's very important, you know, the customer perfect order metric, and we want to ensure that our customers get a machine that is really like they want to have a machine like in size quality.
Sure, absolutely.
Exactly.
Looks like there's we can look at the whole floor from up there. Can we go have a look up there?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, perfect.
Let's go upstairs.
Johannes, this is an amazing view of the facility that we just saw. Really looks impressive.
Yeah, very nice, thank you. Yeah. Jay, at this point I have a question for you.
Okay.
What do you think, how many units are we able to push out per month?
Per month?
Yeah.
Looking at this, I'm gonna guess 14?
Yeah, not really. Due to our continuous improvement, we are now able to push out up to 30 units per month from this small facility. Yeah.
To me, that's impressive because having walked your floor, you can really see not only the dedication in assembly, but the dedication to pushing good product out. So that to me, I mean, it's easy to just push units out, but to push 30 good units out, that's impressive. So congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's really cool. Johannes, thank you very much for taking the time to show us where we bring the O family machines to life. Can we come back?
Yeah, for sure. For sure, you were very welcome.
Perfect. Well, for you out there, hope you enjoyed our little production tour of the Wangen facility. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.